Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. end-of-day recap for Tuesday, May 12th, 2026, covering market moves in indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Key indexes were mostly down today. The S&P 500 index closed at 7,401.63, down 11.22 points. Despite this, the index maintains a very strong positive trend. Meanwhile, the Dow 30 index closed up 56.7 points at 49,760.55, extending its strong positive trend with 3 consecutive days of gains. Market breadth showed mixed results. In the S&P 500 index, 252 stocks advanced and 234 declined, reflecting its positive trend. The Dow 30 index reported 19 advances against 11 declines. Nasdaq Composite Index had more declines than advances, in a down day led by a strong positive trend. Looking into returns, the S&P 500 month-to-date return was 2.67%. Its year-to-date figure stands at 8.12%, showing a positive long-term outlook. The Nasdaq Composite holds a very strong positive trend despite a daily dip, with its month-to-date return at 4.8%. Healthcare led sector gains, rising 1.9% to 1,697.94, amid a mixed negative trend. Consumer defensive also performed well, moving up 1.5% to close at 957.25. Energy rose by 0.7% and has been on a very strong positive trend, marking the second consecutive day of gains. Consumer cyclical pulled back 1% to 1,963.61, breaking downward. This sector has been trending very strong positively. Technology posted a 0.99% decrease, showing upward volatility for the past 5 days. Communication services, despite closing up by a slim margin, retains a very strong positive trend. Among global markets, Denmark outperformed with the Denmark iShares ETF, climbing 0.8% to 113.3. Norway's iShares ETF rose for the third day, closing at 37.2, up 0.29%. Singapore saw a smaller gain of 0.24%, but maintains a strong positive trend. Denmark's ETF has a strong positive monthly return of 2.85%. Norway demonstrated a significant year-to-date return of 28.63%, indicative of robust performance. Meanwhile, Malaysia's ETF, with a monthly return of 2.69%, maintains its very strong positive trend. Today, tech giants showed mixed results. Apple reached a new all-time high, closing at 294.80, rising by 2.12. In contrast, Alphabet and Amazon faced declines, ending down 2.95 and 3.17, respectively. Meanwhile, Meta Platforms closed higher despite a negative trend, and Nvidia also hit a new high, closing up for the 5th consecutive day.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Bitcoin is currently at 80,734.65, down 992.41 from earlier. It's been heading down 2 days in a row, but it remains in a strong positive trend. Ethereum also dropped, now at 2,282.55, with a decline of 56.84, experiencing a mixed negative trend after a 2.4% fall. BNB sits at 664.1, seeing a price dip of 5.79, yet showing some upward volatility today. Solana, priced at 94.74, loses 2.62, with mixed positive trend and some volatility. Its price has been flat for 3 days. Finishing up, Dogecoin is at 0.1100, a slight decrease, maintaining a mixed positive trend while being flat for 4 days. For weekly returns, Bitcoin declined almost 1.8%, indicating volatility this week. Ethereum showed a steeper fall of 3.7%, maintaining its negative trend. Conversely, BNB recorded minimal changes but had a notable monthly gain. Solana advanced 14% monthly, yet shows a mixed trend presently. Dogecoin posted a modest monthly increase, but has been flat lately.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The US dollar is strengthening against major currencies, up 0.37% against the euro and 0.51% against the British pound. However, it's still in a negative trend. The dollar had upward breakouts after days of flat movement, with the pound and Swiss franc showing mixed momentum.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 4 p.m. New York time for daily market reports with in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.